A warm welcome to all the viewers on the channel Smart Study with Shivani. Today I have brought an interesting topic of learning, that is human body system. Just as we know that in our home there are different places where we do specific job. That is, like for cooking we use our kitchen only. We don't cook in our bedrooms. Similarly, for washing our hands or going to loo, we use washrooms and not any other area. Similarly, in order to run our entire body system smoothly and do the functioning properly, the entire body system is divided into different small systems like circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, and skeletal system. These systems are allotted a specific job or a specific task to perform. This video is meant for years 6 students, and in year 5 we had studied about digestive system, where we saw that many organs participate in digestive system and they have a specific job to do. They don't intervene with any other systems. To begin with, we will start learning with circulatory system. The word itself says circle. So the human circulatory system is a closed system, circular system, where the heart pumps blood through the network of blood vessels. If you see that I have highlighted certain words like heart, blood, and blood vessels. So they form the main parts of the circulatory system, that is heart, blood, and blood vessels. We will now look into the function of circulatory system, why it is important and what role it has. So the role of moving or transporting the essential nutrients and minerals throughout the body and carry out the metallic waste products away from the body is the main function done by the circulatory system. It also pumps blood from the heart to the lungs to get oxygen. The heart then sends this oxygenated blood or oxygen-rich blood through arteries to the rest of the body. Now, if you carefully look at this diagram, it shows that there are different color codings which is being used just for easy understanding purpose. So red color is being used for the oxygen rich blood and blue color is being used for deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is carried out from the lungs to the heart to rest of the bodies, and deoxygenated blood is carried from the body to the heart, finally to the lungs. The heart then sends the oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body, and the veins carry oxygen poor blood back to the heart. So basically it is a loop in a circular form. Now we will understand the function of the heart. This is actually the heart, fully red color, but for our easy understanding we do the color coding just explained in the previous slide, that red is used for oxygen rich and blue is used for deoxygenated or oxygen poor blood. Heart, it is a very special muscle. Its function is to pump blood through our body. It does a non-stop working, that is works 24/7, no holidays for heart. Then the size of the heart is the fist of our hand. Location, it is located inside our chest, slightly to the left, and it is protected by the rib cage or the ribs. Now what do you mean by heartbeat and pulse? Every time when the heart muscle contracts to pump the blood we feel the heartbeat. It takes less than a minute to pump the blood to every part of the body. Whereas the pulse is caused by the pressure of the blood as the heart pumps it to the rest of the body. The easy way of remembering is the word pulse, pressure and pump all have alliteration of letter P. So pulse is caused by the pressure of the blood as heart pumps it to the rest of the body. Now you can check it out this by doing a small experiment on your own at your home by climbing up the stairs or by doing skipping, jogging or any other exercise, and then you can feel that there is a difference in it. The normal heartbeat will be around 70 to 90, and when you do this type of exercise or climbing up, then it will increase. Moving on to blood and blood vessels. Blood, as we all know, that it is a red color fluid flowing around the body. It carries oxygen and the food particles to all parts of the body, as well as it also picks carbon dioxide, other waste products from the body and carries them to the organs which can get rid of them. Then, which are the organs which can get rid of them? They are the kidneys and the lungs, which help the body to get rid of these waste products. About the blood vessels. Blood moves through the body in the blood vessels. There are three main types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. Just to give a real life example, we all know that we have a tap in our home, and when we open that tap, the water comes out. So tap is nothing but the blood vessels, and the water which is coming out of that is nothing but the blood. This is just a example to make you understand more easily. Now looking up to the different types of blood vessels, over here you can see that red color coding is done for artery, which is having oxygenated blood. So blood flows from the heart, it enters into the artery and it is having oxygen and other nutrients. So this will be carried to the different cells or different organs or different parts of the body. Then comes the capillaries. These are the joints which join arteries and the veins. Now, veins are blue in color, just a color coding done. So, whenever the carbon dioxide or other waste product is coming from the cells, it gets mixed to the blood which is present in the vein, and then vein carries this blood to the heart to make it pure again. Capillaries, they are the joining part of arteries and veins. They are very narrow, very thin. They have thin walls so as to allow oxygen and food to move through them. For veins, the thin elastic muscular wall is present, and for arteries, there is a thick elastic muscular wall. You can see the difference. There is very thick it is very thick, or thickness is there around the wall of arteries, and it is very thin in the case of veins. That's all from my end today about the circulatory system. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Have a good day.